Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Got a new ride and review for you today. Heading to a place called Press Club Grill. Press Club Grill is a new place that opened up. It's kind of right near K-Town. It's on Broadway between like 33rd and 32nd, or 32nd and 31st, somewhere right over there. So I just finished up work. I'm heading down there to meet the cake dealer and another couple that we know from Instagram, Generous Eats. You should check out her account, it's very good. And we're looking to get into it. We're gonna get some meat, some big items. I know the menu's pretty impressive. They have a nice looking beef Wellington that I want to try. I know that for sure. We'll have to see what else.
Hey, yo.
So I'm just passing through Times Square right now. It's not a far ride from here. 10 streets on the diagonal. I've got just the GoPro 10 on my chest today. I didn't bring the other GoPro with me. Didn't feel like carrying the extra stuff with me to and from work. Got a backpack on. But I got some news about the zoos. I managed to get some foot pegs on front forks. So it'll make it a lot easier for me to ride two up with the cake dealer on the front of the bike, sitting in front of me, and resting her feet on the little foot pegs that I have attached, that fold up, fold down, that I have attached to the front forks. And we gave it a little test spin this morning. I rode her to work. We gave it a little test spin, and it was really great. Enjoyed it. So maybe we'll ride that way home. I still want to tweak a few things on the way it's hooked up. You know, make sure there's no slip, make sure it's tight, good and tight, without pinching the tube. And I may want to try a different bracket attachment instead of the one that came with the peg. The plan is I'll make a little video trying to show you what I did once it's all set up and good. So I might ride home after dinner tonight alone, just to be safe. Although, you know, we didn't really have too much of a problem this morning. It just, roads are really empty when we went this morning. It was like 6 in the morning. So, you know, now after dinner time, it's a little crazy. Coming down Broadway, just past 37th Street, getting down into Herald Square. Traffic. It's the guy who ran a red light before. Didn't really get very far, did he? All right, so it's just right up ahead over here. So I'm gonna go down to 31st, take a left, and then park somewhere. I think there's a couple of lots over here in K-Town that'll be good. But here we go. All right, let me cut this off here, find a spot, and I'll see you on the inside. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Glad we did this. Thank you. Thanks for setting it up.
I don't like talking about it, but like,
Butter. Is that butter?
yeah, it's like spicy.
That tartare looks pretty. The yellow dots.
What are those?
Just like Lamb's Club, those yellow dots, right?
I'm lazy. I'm a lazy photographer.
Parmesan.
Wow. Buffalo sauce on there. It's just like, you want to switch? Yeah.
Usually it's cauliflower, right? They do the cauliflower.
Yeah. That's so pretty. That's so cool. Okay.
Beautiful. So it's like 3 ways.
Yes.
Wow.
Breast wonton and fried rice.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
What do you want? With our beef Wellington, we have a black truffle beef. Okay.
Okay, this is a
Move it if you
really
want.
big beef Wellington. Can you switch? Let me shoot this one really quick.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
One dark bread. You're just like in the corner.
Raspberry, pink peppercorn, grapefruit, lemon thyme base.
The popsicle.
Yes. Apricot with dulce de leche coating. Creme brulee, bananas Foster. Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
That's so cool.
Bananas.
We have the cherries jubilee.
Oh wow.
Oh. Ooh.
Good flavor. Dulce de leche. It's good. Let's try.
Press Club Grill. Good meal. We started off with like sourdough bread and butter. That was very nice. Steak tartare was excellent. Really enjoyed the steak tartare. The staff brought out some complimentary stuff for us. One was the crab rangoon, those long, like skinny troughs. Those were nice. We had the ravioli. That was really nice too. Really liked that. There was a summer salad. Summer salad had like a cheese on the bottom too. It's interesting. And carrots. They brought out these, like, I guess it's for like vegans or vegetarians, buffalo carrots. They really tasted like meat. I was impressed by that. Very good. Then let's see what else. The main course we did the beef Wellington for 2. That was really good. It was a little salty, but the cook temperature was perfect. Execution wise, really good. The mushroom duxelle and the puff pastry on the outside, really nicely done. We also did their full duck 3 ways. They bring out the breast cooked with that crispy skin, perfectly cooked, nice and pink. And then the other 2 ways they cook it, one is like a garlic fried rice with the dark meat in it. And then the third way is they put some of the thigh meat and duck meat, dark meat, into wontons. So you saw a little bowl of wontons. Those were great, really good. And then we also did a chicken schnitzel. It's like pounded flat chicken with a little sauce, very nice. A little spetzel in there too. Keep my eyes peeled. People are walking on it. People are just going the wrong way and riding, walking weird. I don't really trust it. So yeah, those are the three main entrees we had. The chicken schnitzel, the Wellington, and the duck 3 ways. Very good. And then dessert was like a little bit of, we tried a little bit of everything. There was like a Cherries Jubilee thing that they served for 2. That was the chocolate sphere with the ice cream, cherries all over it. There were 3 scoops of gelato and sorbet, really interesting flavors. One was like a raspberry Szechuan peppercorn. One was like lemongrass, and one was grapefruit. Those were nice. There was a creme brulee bananas Foster. That was probably the best of them that we tried. Really nice. A lot of flavor. Good execution on that. Next time we'd probably try the baked Alaska. Overall, a very good meal other than the extra salty beef Wellington, but can't complain. You know, it was a complimentary meal. We got complimentary up to $400 thanks to the PR company reaching out to Jen, and Jen was able to get them to agree to invite the cake dealer and I. So it was a great meal. So that's about it. Jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full write-up, the full review, all the pictures, everything. Oh, that's right. We also had a popsicle for dessert. It was that cool-looking popsicle laid on its side. That was pretty good. I didn't like that as much as the other desserts. That's probably why I kind of forgot to talk about it just there. But the shell on it was a little thick and tasted like white chocolate. I'm not really a big white chocolate fan. It was supposed to be like a salted caramel flavor, I guess. It was okay. Don't knock it. Some people loved it. So that's it. I think we covered everything. As usual, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends and tell your family all about this channel, about this show, about what I'm doing. And make sure you tell your fucking grandma.